The expert in anything was once a beginner. There are several people I know who have had rough lives and have found their answer in online marketing. My story is not that kind of story. My name is Rain Jones, and I'm from San Antonio, Texas. I grew up in a middle-class Midwestern family. My parents are still married after 47 years and recently celebrated their 47th anniversary in Hawaii. I graduated high school, I went to college, I joined the Army Reserves my freshman year of college, and by the time I graduated, I had earned my commission in the U.S. Army. I guess you could say that's where my story deviates a little. I spent 23 years in the Army with 4 deployments to the Middle East, and last year I came to the conclusion it was time to retire. The question was, what did I do next? I had absolutely no desire to continue in government service, nor did I want to take on another 9-to-5 job just to make a living. I wanted to actually enjoy being retired and do the things that I kept putting off for someday, my proverbial bucket list. Fortunately, the Army has a transition assistance program to help soldiers like me getting out of the military. Unfortunately, about that time, I also ran into some medical issues. Those issues made me definitely look for options that would allow me to work from home. And one of those options was to become an online professor because I really wanted to teach. I discovered during my time in the Army that I loved teaching and mentoring young adults. There is nothing like seeing the light of comprehension in someone's eyes as they grasp the concept that I just taught them. I started with a search on Google, and to this day I am still not clear on how a search for online education led me to affiliate marketing. One day in my research I came across this crazy guy explaining how I could make $1,250, $3,000, or even $5,000 a month with this company called Mobe. Not only could I follow the system, but anybody could use this system. I figured, what the heck? I signed up, I got started, and my life hasn't been the same since. There are some things that I've come to learn about myself during this adventure into the next phase of my life. 1, I am very stubborn, and my stubbornness has paid off because I am starting to make a success of this. 2, I've discovered my passions. In this business, it is absolutely critical that you have a reason why that will keep you motivated during all the years of this business. Mine is simple. I want to help make life better for service members, veterans, and their families. I'm going to provide ways to make their lives better after all the sacrifices that they have made to this great country. Now, I am just beginning to see the type of success that I envision for myself. And I can't wait for the day where I can leverage my success and make that why a reality. If you want to learn more about how to make this a reality for you, then click the button below and get started with me today.